Hello everyone and welcome to watch this. Let's go! Looks like this cat is putting its detective skills to help her. I've heard of flying cars, but this is taking things to a whole new level. Is it talent or hard work? This guy's got some serious skills. They're coming together to rescue their friend. Amazing teamwork. Is that a dragon? Can anyone shed some light on this little creature? Nature truly finds a way. This tree has found a way to grow in the most unexpected place. A stop sign pole. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you!